This is Code.org. I'm currently working on the Accelerated Intro to Computer Science course. I'm on the lesson The Maze. Let's see what we're doing. Help me banish this bad piggy using the fewest number of blocks. Try using more than one repeat times block. Ooh, fancy. Alright, so what do we have? We only have one block, which is win run, and 6. Okay, so I'm going to use at least more than one of these repeat, and I'm just going to drop move forward into it, and let's see what happens here. Because it's always okay to test out code and be wrong. It's the great thing about coding. Oh, he hurt himself. Okay, so we're going to need to turn there. Now, any blocks that are under a repeat block, if I put it in here, it's not going to work. We're going to turn left. We move forward, turn left. Move forward, turn left. We're going to try to do that 5 times. So if I put it down here, once we move forward 5 times, we would then turn left. However, I think I'm going to still hit the wall because 3, that's 4 times. So I need to make this not 5. I can change it just using the keyboard and now repeat 4 times. So the computer will run this code 4 times. And once it runs the code inside being hugged by this pink block 4 times, it will then run the code beneath it. Check it out. Boop, and you see it drop down there. Well, that's what we want. Now we got to figure out how many moves to the pig. I'm going to guess 5 and do move forward. So now we can use another repeat. And once we turn left, we're going to say, okay, computer, now do this one 5 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So we can use 2 repeats and get a lot done. Awesome. Let's keep going.